In today's video, we will set up Movavi Video Editor on our PC and discuss its features. This means that today's video is a complete guide on how to download and install Movavi Video Editor on your PC. Secondly, this video has been made based on a subscriber's request. So, if you have any other topics you'd like to see in a video, comment about that, and let's get started with the video. So, I have arrived at my PC screen, and the download link for this software will be available in the description below. You can simply download it from there, and the size of this file is 173 MB, so it should download easily. Simply right-click on this zip file to extract it. Here, you will see two folders, one for 64-bit and the other for 32-bit. If your PC is 64-bit, install the 64-bit file. If it's 32-bit, install the 32-bit file. If you don't know your PC's architecture, follow this step. Right-click on the My Computer icon and go to Properties, and you will see your PC's architecture here. Since my PC is 32-bit, I will install the 32-bit file. Now, you need to install this setup file. You should check this box and click Install. It will take 1 to 2 minutes for the installation, so let's wait a bit. Our work is not done yet. Now, you need to go into this folder and copy these two files. After that, paste these two files into the same folder where your Movavi Video Editor is installed. Then, you need to delete the desktop shortcut and create a new one. Right-click on the video editor's icon and select Run as Administrator. In the next step, you need to download the video editor's drivers. So, friends, Movavi Video Editor is successfully installed. If you want to know about its features, click on the video on the left. In that video, I have explained its features in great detail. If you want a video on any other topic, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.